Day grade 3 learners, welcome to our English 3 quarter 4 week 4 day week 2. Our topic for today is interrogative compound sentences. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here are the bases of our lesson for today. Content standards, performance standards, learning competencies, objectives, activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. I'm so happy to see your bright faces today. Are you ready to explore some wonderful stories and new words together? Let's dive into English. For our review, read the short passages below and choose the most logical ending based on the evidence provided. The overconfident climber. Leo started at the summit of Mount Verity. Though the sun was setting and his oxygen tank was hissing a warning, he ignored his partner's pleas to turn back. "I've come too far to stop now," Leo muttered, unhooking his safety line to move faster. Suddenly, a sharp crack echoed through the thinning air. What is the most likely ending? A. Leo reaches the top and enjoys a beautiful sunrise. B. The ice beneath Leo breaks, leading to a dangerous fall. Or C. Leo decides to go back down and get a coffee. The answer is letter B. The mysterious package. Every day for a week, Sarah received a single dried rose in the mail with no return address. On the seventh day, a heavy square box arrived. Unlike the roses, this box was ticking softly. Sarah reached the tape, her hands trembling. What is most likely the ending? Sarah finds a collection of vintage clocks from a secret admirer. B. Sarah opens the box and finds it is empty. C. Sarah realizes the roses were a distraction for a prank. The answer is letter A. For our motivation, write or give the root word of each high-frequency word. Everybody, let's read. Colorful, eventually. Again, colorful, eventually. Here are the root words of the following words. For colorful, the root word is color. And for eventually, the root word is event. Lesson purpose intention. Today, we will read a poem, identify high-frequency words, read VCCB words and identify, and write an interrogative compound sentence. Lesson language practice. We learned that an asking sentence or interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Number 1. What old things did you use to make a necklace? W is capitalized, and at the end of the sentence, we found the question mark. It allows us to request information and have interesting conversation. An asking sentence requires an answer too. Reading the key idea stem. Read some of the sight words in the story. Everybody, let's read the following words. A. Much. B. Never. C. Show. Again, let's repeat. A. Much. B. Never. C. Show. The The necklace chase. I once needed a necklace and I searched all over my room. No matter how hard I looked around, I found none. I felt much doom. Then an idea occurred to me when I saw a piece of string. Since I couldn't find the necklace, maybe I could make one for me to bring. So I set out with the thread in hand and began to check the floor. There, I saw different items I never thought of as beads before. I saw fallen coins with holes in the middle, colorful buttons from old coats and blouses, dried macaroni without all the cheese, and other items you never notice in the house. Eventually, I reached the end of the yarn and knew my necklace was ready to wear, so I placed it around my neck and tied double knots so it would stay there. My necklace became the star of the show, and everyone wanted one like it too. They kept asking me where to get such a piece. Oh, if only my story they knew. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Compound sentence interrogative. We learned that a compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences. They are connected using coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions join or link together simple sentences to make compound sentences. If the two simple sentences are both asking sentences, we use the coordinating conjunctions and or. And is used to add or connect similar ideas or elements. Meanwhile, or is used to present alternatives or choices. Let us make a compound sentence using the asking sentences we read. Below are two simple complete asking sentences, each with its own subject and verb. What did you use to make the necklace? Where did you get the materials? So here are two simple sentences that are interrogative. Let's make them a compound interrogative sentence. To combine them into a compound sentence, we simply add a comma and a coordinating conjunction. The answer is, what did you use to make the necklace, comma, and where did you get the materials? Question mark. Another example, do you like upcycling? Do you prefer buying things? To combine them, we use do you like upcycling, comma, or do you prefer buying things? Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Choose the correct coordinating conjunction to complete the interrogative compound sentence. Number 1. Do you want to go to the park? Would you rather stay home? Number 2. Did you finish your math homework? Did you remember to pack your bag? Number 3. Will we eat dinner at 6? Are we waiting for Dad to get home? Number 4. Can you see the stars tonight? Is the moon too bright? Today, grade 3 learners welcome making generalization and abstraction. If the two simple sentences are both asking sentences, we use the coordinating conjunction and or to make an interrogative compound sentence. Evaluating learning. Directions. Rewrite these two simple questions in one compound sentence using the conjunction in parentheses. Example, is it raining? Is it snowing? The answer, is it raining or is it snowing? Number 1. Do you like grapes? Do you like apples? The conjunction is and. For number 2, is the store open? Should we drive there now? The conjunction to be used is and. Number 3, are you tired? Do you just want to sit down? The conjunction to be used is or. Here are the correct answers. VCCV. Let's read the following words. Kitten, button, southern, muffin, letter, tablet, number, picnic, mitten, rabbit, tennis, dinner, public, laptop, sister, basket, cotton, happen, better, puppet, marlin, magnet, napkin, and cactus. The list of the following words that we read has a BCCV pattern. Try to practice and write it at home. Thank you.